All right, we've got a problem that we're going to go over. It's actually a scale factor problem. If you're looking for it in the ebook or the textbook, it's closure problem from chapter 6, problem 143. So we're finding the scale factor between the original and the copy. And they've told us shape A is the original, shape B is the copy. And so when we're finding the scale factor of the shape going from A to B, the original to the copy, we can use that equation we've been using all of chapter 4, scale factors copy over original. The thing we need to do is we got to find a corresponding side. We got to choose a side to compare to see what's changed. Well, in the original shape, we have this side looks pretty good because we got to measure. It's 12 feet long. The corresponding side in shape B is here. And I chose that side because it also has a measure of 3 feet. So the copy is equal to 3 feet. Let's see if I can write that a little bit better. Copy is equal to 3 feet. And the original is equal to 12 feet. Okay, so that means the scale factor is 1/4. So our shapes going from original to copy, A to B, it's 1/4 the size. B is 1/4 the size. One-fourth times. That's why we went from 12 feet down to 3 feet. It's a quarter the size. So likewise, if we go the other direction from B to A, it's going to be 4 times as big going from B to A. If we're reversing the copy back to the original, it's 4 times. And that makes sense. If the copy is 3 feet, that same side, the corresponding side, is 12 feet, 4 times as big. So we can use that to help us find some of these missing sides. Let's see if we can take a look and figure out what X is. X is here. Okay. The corresponding side in the copy is here. So if we want to find X, the copy side is 2.5. To go back to the original, we need to multiply by 4. So we have 2.5 feet times 4. It's 4 times bigger. The original is than the copy, so that's a total of 10 feet. So side X is 10 feet. Let's go ahead and erase that because it's going to get pretty messy as we go to the next one. Let's look at Y. So if we look at side Y, Y is here. The corresponding side is here. So this is another instance because we have the measurement of the copy, 2 feet. We're going back to the original, so it's 4 times as big. So we could say side Y equals 2 feet times 4, because that's the scale factor going from copy to original, going back to the original size. It's 4 times as big. So side Y equals 8 feet. All right, so one side left, Z. Let's tackle Z. Now Z is a little bit different. Z is on the copy. So let's see if we can figure out what that would be. So side Z is here. In the original, the corresponding side is there. So side Z is in the copy. It's a quarter the original size, right? That's the scale factor we figured out from A to B. It's a quarter the size. So if we're looking for side Z, it is the original side was 6 feet. And it's a quarter of that. So times 1/4. Well, that means Z equals 6/4 feet. And then we can, let's turn that into a mixed fraction. That is 1.5 feet. Okay. So that's how we can find the missing sides. X is 10 feet, Y is 8 feet, Z is 1.5 feet. And the scale factor from original to copy or A to B is 1/4.